My dad did a full tutorial on how to pack the dishwasher properly.
Really?
And there's a system. Do you put the forks up or down?
Either, right?
I do either.
It depends how
actually.
dirty it is.
Well, what do you mean?
If it's pretty dirty, do the fork facing up so it gets more cleanliness. But if it's not so dirty, just put it facing down.
I would say either or leaning towards it being up.
That to me is the right answer. Just up all the time.
Yeah?
Don't you want it to always be clean?
I guess. But what if you go to put your hand in there and there's like a knife sticking up and you cut your wrist and
You
you
gotta be
bleed
careful. Dishwashers are dangerous places. You gotta be cautious. You gotta be. Oof. Sorry, that's like my 5th drumstick this week. I think I gotta slow down.